Hello, my name is Paul Lynch from Mac Motor Company. Today I will introduce our battery-powered electric lawnmower conversion kit. With this kit you can breathe new life into your old lawnmower. First we start with a typical gas-powered lawnmower, just like you may have at home. This engine is noisy, polluting and requires some maintenance. Here we have our complete electric conversion kit. Inside here we have battery, motor and everything you need to convert your existing mower. Simply remove your existing gas engine and fit this unit in its place. Okay, let's start the conversion. I've already removed the blade and the 4 bolts securing the engine to the deck, so I simply remove the engine. The base plate is configured for standard mounting configurations. These 3 bolts simply fit into the existing holes in the mower deck. Okay, we fit the kit to the deck. Okay, motor on the side. Fit the 3 bolts. Okay, we took the bolts down. The cable has already been secured. So now our gasoline-powered lawnmower has become a clean, green and efficient product.